In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get my Apple ID email. Knowing your Apple ID email is essential. It is often the email address or phone number you use to sign into your Apple account. Apple refers to this as your Apple account email. This information is crucial for accessing various Apple services, including the App Store, iCloud, and more. If you forget your Apple ID email, it can be quite inconvenient. But do not worry, I will guide you through the steps to find it easily. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This app is usually found on your home screen and has a gear icon. Once you tap on it, you'll see various options for customizing your device. This is where you can manage everything from Wi-Fi settings to notifications. Finding your Apple ID email begins here. After opening Settings, you will look for your name at the top of the screen. Your name is a quick way to access your account details. Next, tap on your name. This action will take you to your Apple ID account information. Here you can manage your Apple ID, including your payment methods and subscriptions. It is a centralized hub for your Apple account. Seeing your name confirms that you are in the right place. Once you tap on your name, look for the option labeled Sign In and Security. This section contains information related to your account's security and sign-in methods. After tapping on Sign In and Security, you will see the email addresses and phone numbers associated with your Apple ID. This is where you can easily identify which email address or phone number you can use to sign in. The information displayed will help you verify your identity across Apple services. It is a straightforward step that ensures you have the correct credentials for your account. You can also find your Apple ID email in other places, which is particularly useful if you're not using an iPhone or iPad. Start by opening the App Store. Once inside, tap your profile picture, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This leads you to your account settings. Under your name, you should see the email address linked to your Apple ID. This can be a quick way to get the information you need without diving deep into settings. Another place to check is in FaceTime or Messages. Open either app, then navigate to the account settings. In these settings, you will also find your Apple ID email. This is especially handy if you use these applications frequently for communication. Having access to your Apple ID in messaging apps ensures seamless connectivity with your friends and family. If you use iCloud for Windows, you can find your Apple ID email or phone number under your name in the application. This is beneficial for those who access their Apple services through a Windows computer. It helps maintain continuity across different devices. You will see your Apple ID displayed clearly, making it easy to verify your account information. If you've forgotten your Apple ID email completely, Apple recommends using the recovery tool at iforgot.apple.com. This tool is designed to help you recover your Apple ID information securely. Simply follow the prompts and it will guide you through the recovery process. This is important because it ensures your account remains secure while providing a way to regain access. You can also search your inbox for emails from Apple. Look for receipts, support messages, or billing emails. These messages often contain your Apple ID email address. This method can be a quick and effective way to retrieve your email without navigating through settings. Lastly, if you use Hide My Email, be aware that you may see addresses ending in @privrelay.appleid.com. These addresses are forwarding addresses and not your actual Apple ID email. This distinction is crucial to ensure you are using the correct email for sign-in purposes. Now you know how to find your Apple ID email through various methods. Whether on your iPhone, iPad, or even through your inbox. These steps will help you access your account effortlessly. Remember, knowing your Apple ID email is vital for managing your Apple services efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate your Apple account with ease.